Today we'll be reviewing the national flag of Bosnia and Herzegovina. The review will be done using the 5 basic principles of flag design as outlined in the book Good Flag, Bad Flag, written by Ted Kay and published by the North American Vexillological Association. Here is a quick rundown of the 5 principles. We will review the flag under each principle and give a score out of 10 for each. At the end, we will calculate the average score of the 5 principles, which will give us the overall final score for the flag. Let's begin. The flag consists of a blue stripe on the fly side. Beside this stripe, we have a yellow right triangle. Towards the hoist, we have more blue as well as 7 full 5-pointed stars as well as 2 stars that are cut off at the top and bottom of the flag. While the flag doesn't have any complicated designs, there are details in the flag that make it tricky to reproduce. Getting the yellow triangle in the correct position is not that easy. While the hypotenuse of the triangle gives a good guide as to the positions of the stars, getting them lined up properly is a challenge, and having 2 stars cut off is not an ideal design. For this principle, the flag scores 7 out of 10. Bosnia and Herzegovina gained independence in 1992 and adopted a flag based on the coat of arms of the Kotromanic dynasty in the 13th and 14th century. It was later decided to change the flag because it was felt it only represented Bosniaks, also referred to as Bosnian Muslims. The 3 main ethnic groups of the country, the Bosniaks, Croats, and Serbs, couldn't agree on a new flag design. The new flag was then imposed on the country in 1998 by Carlos Westendorp, who was the High Representative for Bosnia and Herzegovina at the time. The 3 points of the triangle represent the 3 main ethnic groups of the country. The shape of the triangle represents the approximate shape of the country. The stars represent Europe, and the reason 2 of them are cut off is because the stars are meant to represent an infinite number. The flag's colors are said to be traditional colors of the country, though it's hard not to see the huge European influence on the choices that were made. It's unfortunate that the flag design was imposed from outside, and that's reflected in a large chunk of the flag representing the continent of Europe and not the country. However, we do like the symbolism associated with the triangle because it focuses on the people and the country. For this principle, the flag scores 3.5 out of 10. The flag has 3 colors: blue, yellow, and white. All 3 are part of the standard color set. There is good contrast between the blue and the 2 lighter colors of yellow and white, and the yellow and white don't border each other. Overall for color, the flag gets 10 out of 10. This is an interesting principle for the flag because the coat of arms for Bosnia and Herzegovina was adopted after the flag and is based on the flag design. So technically, the flag does indeed use a coat of arms. However, the coat of arms is nowhere near as complicated as more traditional coat of arms. Because of this, and the fact the flag came first, it's not going to get punished here. For this principle, the flag gets 10 out of 10. Many flags have triangles, but the shape and position of the triangle on this flag is unique. The stars and their positioning along the triangle add to the flag's distinctiveness. It's also the only sovereign flag that has stars cut off at the edges. For this principle, the flag scores 10 out of 10. So now we've reviewed the flag on each of the 5 principles. We're going to add the scores and divide by 5 to get the average. So, for the national flag of Bosnia and Herzegovina, we get a final score of 8.1 out of 10.